How to embed TikTok video in WordPress. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. Now this is a step-by-step video on how to actually do this, so just keep following and you will be able to do this as well. So if this video was helpful, please do let me know in the comments and let's get started. Now for this, we are actually going to use a website called Elfsight. Now this website has a lot of widgets that you can use and choose from. As you can see, I have a direct link in the description to this website as well, but also here on the TikTok feed. And I also have a direct link to the TikTok feed builder widget on Elfsight as well, which you can choose. But yeah, so what you want to do is over here choose whichever template you would like to use. So you have a lot of different ones, as you can see, and they're actually all pretty nice and cool, as you can tell. But let's say you want to use the masonry one, then you can actually click on continue with this template, and then here you will have to add source. So here you have to enter your profile or a hashtag, which is also pretty cool. So let's say you would do hashtag for you page, then you get all of these TikToks right over here. Then you can simply click on add to website. And then here you will have to either create an account, or if you already have one, simply log in. That's what I'm going to do. Then here you will get this page, and here you actually have to choose a plan. Now there is a free one right over here that I'm also currently using, but if you would like to have more benefits, then you can also pay for this. Now currently there is a birthday coupon which will save you 30% on any annual subscription, which is actually really nice. If you first choose the light version, so the free one, and then go to deals right over here, you actually have a welcome discount coupon, which is available for 24 hours and saves you 20%. So maybe do that first and then go ahead and choose a different plan and upgrade, so it will save 20%. And here the code will also pop up. Now then you can actually simply go to WordPress and go to a block, hit the plus icon, and then click on custom HTML. Now if that doesn't show up for you, simply type in HTML. It will also pop up right over there. Then simply click on there, paste the HTML in there, switch the view to preview, and then once this loads up, you can actually see the TikTok feed right over here. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.